Hi, I'm John Russell. It's not the prettiest sound in English, but it's an important one. I'm talking about the vowel sound I. It and important both have the I sound. Let's talk about how to make it. Your lips should be slightly apart and relaxed. I. Your tongue should be relaxed and somewhat high in the front of your mouth. The back of your tongue touches the sides of your teeth. The vowel sound I has a few common spellings. Perhaps the most common is the letter I. Here are some examples of pronouns, verbs, and nouns that have the I sound. This, sit, dinner. Sometimes English speakers spell I with the letter Y, usually between two consonant sounds. For example, the noun gym. There are a few common spelling exceptions for the I sound. These include been, the past participle of the verb be. Although it is spelled with an EE, Americans pronounce it as I. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.